Let's continue with nature of management. First one, management is a universal process. As human beings, we must perform certain human activities. It is sure that we have to perform certain activities. Whether individual or joint, there is management. The process of management can be noticed in all spheres of life. The basic nature of management activity is same. Even if we manage our family, club, trade union, trust, municipality, business concern, the government, the basic concepts are same, though there may be slight variations in the style and approach. So, as human beings, we have to perform certain activities, whether it is individual or joint. When this arise, management arise. The process of management we can see in all spheres of our life. And the basic nature of management is same everywhere. So, whether we manage our family, club, trade union, trust, municipality, or any business concern or the government, the basic concepts of management are same, though there may be slight variations in the style and approach. Next, management is a factor of production. Management is regarded as a factor of production. We should take proper care about land, labor, and capital. They should be kept for effective use for the production and distribution of goods and services. Managerial skills should be effectively used for this purpose. So, in this management is a factor of production section, we should take proper care of land, labor, and capital, and it should be kept for effective use for the production and distribution of goods and service, whether it is goods or service, whatever it is. Managerial skills should be effectively used for this purpose, for the success of the organization. Managerial skills should be effectively used. Third point, management is goal oriented. The most important goal of management is to accomplish its objective. These objectives may be economic, socio-economic, social, and human. All organizations use the resources like men, money, machine, materials in effective and efficient way. So, as an organization, the goal of management is to achieve its objective, right? So these objectives, whether it is economic, socio-economic, social, and human, all organizations use the resources like men, money, machine, and materials in effective and efficient way. Fourth one, management is supreme in thought and action. Managers set objectives which are easy to achieve. That is, it should be realizable objectives. They provide support and motivation to mastermind the actions to achieve the objectives. That is, managers always set objectives and that those objectives should be easy to achieve. That meaning it should be realizable objectives and they provide support and motivation to mastermind the actions to achieve the objectives. Employees who are working in the organization should be motivated. The managers should be able to know how to achieve the objectives. Managers should provide right motivation at right time to his subordinates. Fifth one, management is a group activity. Each department, like production department, sales department, finance department, etc. all should perform well to achieve success. Proper coordination should be there among the departments. All the human resources, financial resources, physical resources, and information resources like men, money, machine, materials all should perform efficiently and effectively in order to achieve the success of the organization. And the multiplier effect of management says that 1 plus 1 is 11. Part 1 of Nature of Management is over. Let's continue with Part 2 of Nature of Management. Management is a dynamic function. Managers should make changes in goal, objectives, and other activities according to changes that take place in the environment. Environment means it can be social, economic, technical, and political environment which bring great influence over the management. Next, management is a social science. Management consists of getting things done through others. Moreover, we must deal with individuals. Everyone has different level of sensitivity, understanding, and dynamism. This change from individual to individual and from situation to situation. So, the manager should seek guidelines from the established principles and rules, and he cannot base his decision on them. Meaning, actually, management consists of getting things done through others. That's a definition for management. So, we must deal with individuals, and everyone has different level of sensitivity, understanding, and dynamism. And this changes from individual to individual and from situation to situation. So, the manager should seek guidelines from the established principles and rules, and he cannot force his decisions on them. Next, management is an important organ of society. Management has an important role in our society. In fact, there is an interaction between management and society. The society influences managerial actions and managerial actions influences the society. By their decisions, the management influence the economic, social, political, religious, moral, and institutional behavior of the members of the society. This has created an impact on the social and moral obligations of business management which cannot be easily ignored. Meaning, management plays an important role in our society. So, there is a proper interaction between management and society. Clear? The society influences managerial actions and managerial actions influences the society. So, by their decisions, the management influence economic, social, political, religious, moral, and institutional behavior of the members of the society. So it has created an impact on social and moral obligations of business management which cannot be easily ignored. Management is a system of authority. Authority means the power to make others act in a predetermined way. The success or failure of an organization can be judged by the quality of decisions taken by the managers. Thus, the decisions are the key for the performance of a manager. So, management is a system of authority. We all know that authority is a power to make others act in a predetermined way. And the success or failure of an organization can be judged by the quality of the decision taken by the managers. So, the decisions are the key for the performance of a manager. Management is a profession with various factors of production. The management accomplish certain predetermined ends, that is, organizational aims and objectives. To achieve this successfully, the manager need to possess managerial knowledge and training. Moreover, they should remain conscious of their social and human obligations. For this, they achieve decent salary and the rewards are well paid. So management is a profession. When we consider management as a profession, with various factors of production, the management accomplishes certain predetermined ends, that they are organizational aims and objectives. And in order to achieve this successfully, manager need to have managerial knowledge and training. And they should remain conscious of their social and human obligations. For this, they achieve decent salary and the rewards are well paid. In the next class, we deal with management process.